Healthy food evolution presented, cacao. The beans which have been derived from the cocoa tree are called cocoa beans. The other common names for cocoa bean are cocoa, cacao and cacao bean. It is used to extract cocoa butter and cocoa solids. It is used as the basis for making chocolate. The term cocoa was derived from the Spanish word cacao and Nahuatl word cacahuatl. Criollo, Forastero and Trinitario are the three main varieties of the cocoa plant. Cocoa is loaded with antioxidants such as flavonoids and procyanidins that help to provide anti-aging properties. Of cocoa beans, whereas United States, Netherlands, Belgium, Luxembourg, and Malaysia are the highest importers of cocoa beans in the world. It is a tropical tree originating in the upper Amazon basin bordering the eastern slopes of the Andes. Its northward migration into Central America and Mexico, although lost in history, has been established using modern molecular techniques, which have documented phylogenetic relations among present germ plasm. In pre-Hispanic times, cacao cultivation and cacao seed processing evolved into different technologies, to the extent that the culture is acknowledged as one of the most sophisticated pre-Hispanic agroforestry systems. Cacao seeds did not just have religious, ceremonial, medicinal, and beverage uses, but even became a common currency among native Olmecs, Mayans, and Aztecs. Because of their long history and present value, cacao trees and beans have been widely described from morphological and taxonomic perspectives. History. Being cocoa tree native to America, it has been originated in Mexico and Central America. It was consumed before 5,000 years ago by pre-Columbian cultures. It could be found in Orinoco and Amazon basins. It was used as a common currency all over Mesoamerica. Cocoa was vital in pre-Columbian Mesoamerica. In the mid-17th century, chocolate got introduced by Spaniards to Europe. Cocoa tree was introduced to Philippines and West Indies. African. Tetef Corsi introduced it to modern Ghana and Gold Coast. Health benefits of cocoa bean. The fermented seeds of cocoa tree, Theobroma cacao, are called cocoa beans. It is inherent to Amazon region and is a vital crop in South and Central America. Cocoa beans have high content of minerals such as magnesium, iron, copper, phosphorus, calcium and manganese. It is an excellent source of potassium, selenium and zinc. It also possesses monounsaturated fats such as palmitic acid, stearic acid and oleic acid. Cocoa bean is packed with various health benefits such as providing relief from constipation, cholesterol, obesity, high blood pressure, cancer, bronchial asthma, diabetes, neurodegenerative disease and chronic fatigue syndrome. It helps to heal the wound fast, improve cardiovascular health, skin care and brain health. It is also helpful for curing deficiency of copper. It helps to enhance mood and has positive effects on neurotoxicity. Maintains blood pressure. Cocoa bean has flavonoids that help to lower blood pressure and enhance elasticity of blood vessels. The research shows that it has positive effect on diastolic and systolic blood pressure. It is possible due to antioxidants that promote the nitric oxide production that helps to relax blood vessels. Additionally, it maintains the normal circulatory system. Antioxidant activities. The study shows that cocoa bean has high antioxidants in comparison to green tea, black tea and red wine. The antioxidants helps to eradicate oxygen-based free radicals from the body. Moreover, it has numerous phenolic phytochemicals and flavonoids. Consuming chocolate has been reported to increase the total antioxidant capacity in human blood plasma, since cocoa polyphenols exhibit strong free radical scavenging activity. Monomeric epicatechins and oligomeric procyanidins are effective in inhibiting both dioxygenase and 5-lipoxygenase, therefore preventing oxidation. Regular intake of cocoa and its derivatives increases the plasma level of antioxidants, which is a desirable effect because it protects against reactive oxygen species, ROS. Brain function. Cocoa is rich in flavanol, which has positive effects on brain health. It helps to assist on memory functions and learning. It promotes the blood flow to brain and helps to cure vascular disorders. Maintains cholesterol level. The study shows that cocoa has hypocholesterolemic and hypoglycemic effects on cholesterol and glucose levels respectively. It helps to lower LDL cholesterol level and glucose. It increases the level of HDL cholesterol level. Treat diabetes. Cocoa intake effectively improves insulin resistance as well as glucose metabolism. It also regulates the level of sugar in the body. Proanthocyanidins inhibits the formation of cataracts, which is promoted by diabetes. It has antioxidant activity that helps to treat diabetic problems such as diabetic nephrotoxicity. Cocoa eliminates free radicals due to the presence of therapeutic properties that helps to treat the cellular injuries. The research shows that the intake of flavonol helps to improve the vascular functions of diabetic patients. Helpful for bronchial asthma. Cocoa beans have theophylline and xanthine that helps to relax bronchial spasms and opens constricted bronchial tubes. It promotes the flow of air easily and cures allergies, shortness of breath and asthma. Its intake provides relief from the conditions such as bronchial asthma. Heal wounds. The extracts of cocoa are believed to possess wound healing and therapeutic properties. The extracts prevent the chances of infections in the human body. It is also useful to eliminate bacteria named Helicobacter pylori from the human body. Reduce obesity. The study conducted shows that cocoa helps to prevent obesity due to high-fat diet. The intake of cocoa helps to modulate lipid metabolism and reduce transport and synthesis of fatty acids. It also improves thermogenesis, which is a heat production in liver and white adipose tissues. Cardiovascular functions. The study shows that cocoa has positive effects on cardiovascular health. It has high content of flavonoids such as catechin, procyanidin and epicatechin. It has antioxidant properties that helps to prevent cell damage that helps to strengthen heart. It helps to promote endothelial functions and stimulates HDL cholesterol. It also prevents the fatal blood clot formation that results in cardiac failure and stroke. It has antiplatelet effects also. It prevents proliferation of athrombosis. Enhance mood. The intake of cocoa has antidepressant activities on physiological processes. The study shows that the flavonols in cocoa assist in enhancing mood, promote cognitive activities and counteract depression. It has neurochemical phenylethylamine that promotes enhanced feelings of contentment and enhance aphrodisiac effects. Prevent constipation. The study shows that intake of cocoa husk provides therapeutic properties in curing chronic constipation as well as problems related to bowel functions. The daily intake of cocoa products helps to promote the functions of bowel and its movements. Treats cancer. Cocoa inhibits the cancer cell's growth without affecting normal healthy cells. The study shows that antiproliferative and chemopreventive qualities possessed in cocoa. The healing effects in cocoa helps to treat prostate cancer and colon cancer. Carcinogenic mechanisms have been associated with ROS, and different population studies have shown that regular intake of antioxidant-rich foods confers protection against several types of cancer. Therefore, diets including high dosages of cacao antioxidants result in a decreasing presence of ROS, avoiding their genotoxic and epigenetic carcinogens and inhibiting the complex processes leading to cancer development. Studies performed in male rats found that cocoa liquor procyanidins showed chemopreventive activity, reducing the incidence and multiplicity of lung carcinomas and thyroid adenomas. In female rats, these compounds inhibited mammary and pancreatic tumorigenesis. Treats deficiency of copper. Copper helps to cure deficiency of copper. The study shows that cocoa helps to improve the level of hemoglobin, count of leukocyte and copper. It prevents the disease related to copper deficiency, such as neutropenia, anemia and leukopenia. Chronic fatigue. Cocoa has calming effects on the chronic fatigue patients. It has attenuating effects that helps to release anandamide, serotonin and phenylethylamine. It helps to combat chronic fatigue syndrome and prevents oxidative stress on neuronal cells. Skin problems. Cocoa is rich in flavonol content that helps to lower the effect of UV-induced erythema and lower scaling and skin roughness. It promotes hydration, elasticity and density of skin. Cocoa has epicatechin that helps to elevate oxygen saturation of hemoglobin, contributes endogenous photoprotection and stimulates the blood flow in dermal tissues. Consumption of high flavanol cocoa improves skin hydration and reduces transepidermal water loss. Oral or topical procyanidin inhibits ultraviolet radiation-induced erythematic response by reducing human skin sensitivity to the deleterious effects of UV light. It is demonstrated that single doses lead to blood flow increases in cutaneous and subcutaneous tissues just 2 hours after ingestion. Cocoa polyphenols enhance connective tissues, such as glycosaminoglycans and collagen. Neurodegenerative ailments. Catechin and epicatechin has positive effects on treating Alzheimer's disease. The research shows that synergistic qualities and aids oxidative stress in mind. It prevents neuronal cell damage. Prevent magnesium deficiency. Cocoa products help to prevent the magnesium deficiency in the body. The study shows that daily intake of cocoa products helps to prevent the negative effects of magnesium deficiency. Lower inflammation. Inflammation is a complex process, and several biomarkers are used to identify chronic inflammation in humans. Evidence suggests that cocoa can effectively modify the inflammatory process. It is reported that cocoa monomeric catechins and oligomeric procyanidins have a significant anti-inflammatory effect. The mechanism involved seems to be through inhibition of a neutrophil oxidative burst, thus reducing adhesion molecules expression. Cocoa flavanols in high doses suppress the level of plasma leukotrienes, which contribute to inflammation in asthma and bronchitis. These compounds are able to modulate eicosanoid synthesis and effects, as well as mediate a series of events leading to acute inflammation. Precautions. Some might get allergic reactions to cocoa beans. How to eat. It is used for making chocolates. Cocoa butter and cocoa powder is used as an ingredient in chocolate industry. The powder form is used in fudge, cookies, muffins, cake and ice creams. Thank you for watching Healthy Food Evolution. For more content, like, comment, share and subscribe for this amazing video.